Welcome everyone to the Light in Europe project. Light in Europe examines human capital tracks and human capital growth through lifelong learning and innovation. I will pose the question how to learn lifelong learning. And I represent data that shows that complex problem solving, the skills to solve complex problems, are facilitators of lifelong learning and innovation. At the core of the Light in Europe projects are skills to solve complex problems. To give you a heads up, complex problem solving is defined as a so-called non-routine skill that involves cognitive processes of knowledge acquisition and knowledge application. And complex jobs nowadays need complex problem solving skills. Two hands-on examples are the ones of automotive engineers and the ones of professional translators. Both are jobs that are exposed to major changes in their specific job environment. And both do project-based works in new environments with changing technologies. What they have in common is that these engineers and translators constantly learn and solve complex problems. In order to get a closer view, we assessed a sample of more than 1,100 employees in 40 enterprises in 13 countries on 3 continents. What we found is that high performers in complex problem solving are also those people that seek for complex jobs. How did we get there? We asked, how is complex problem solving, here specifically CPS for complex problem solving, related to job complexity? What we see is a correlation. That means the higher the job complexity on a scale from 1 to 5, the higher complex problem solving on a scale from 500 as a mean with a standard deviation of 100. And as we can follow the slope, the more complex the job, the higher the complex problem solving levels, and the other way around. That implies that complex working environments require complex problem solving on a daily basis. And the underlying dynamics are that complex problem solving performers seek for more complex jobs, and the other way around, that complex jobs offer more learning opportunities to build up complex problem-solving abilities and make people better lifelong learners. To go further, we asked how complex problem-solving is related to measures of occupational success. The graph shows that the higher the job level, the higher the complex problem-solving skills. Let's get a closer view. Job level 1 includes managers and professionals, those with high university degrees in very complex jobs. Followed by level 2 and 3, which are semi-professional jobs in service area and health. And level 4 with the lowest complex problem-solving level on an average. These jobs include jobs in agriculture and clerical work. To sum up results on the distribution of complex problem solving and job level and job complexity. First, high performers are better placed on the job market. And secondly, high performers seek out for higher jobs, and they also get selected into better job positions. Based on these results, we can recommend 2 things. First of all, individuals should develop a heightened awareness of the dynamics of lifelong learning and complex problem solving. It occurs to us that the one facilitates the other. The better lifelong learners are the better problem solvers and the other way around. And secondly, in order to be better placed on the job market, individuals should face complexity. People should face complexity to climb the career ladder. What does it mean to face complexity? It means to stay mentally accessible for improvements and to practice constructive feedback, on the one hand as a receiver of feedback and also as a feedback giver. If you want to find out more about this policy brief on complex problem solving as a promising candidate for facilitating the acquisition of job skills, visit our website LLLight'in'Europe.com.